As you work with tables or databases in Notion, you will find yourself wanting some features from spreadsheets, and one of those features are freezing docs or locking them in place. So an example of when you would like to use that is when you have a table or database that is horizontally very long, and you have the scroll bar and you have to use it to go far. You will see that the headings get cut off as you scroll, and if there's, in this case there's only 3, but if there were like 50 of them, it would be quite difficult to remember which row means what. So in order to keep this row moving with us as we scroll, we'll need to freeze it. In order to do that in Notion, we'll go to the heading or the header, we'll click on it, and we'll get some options. The option that we'll need to use is freeze up this column. So click on that, and nothing visually changes, but as we scroll, we'll see it moves to the left, and then it will stop. And as we keep going, it still stays on the left, and we can use that easily to differentiate what rows we're looking at related to what column.